ready to go to Ghana? Pack your bags because today I'm sharing a beginner's travel guide to Ghana. We also just announced a new travel program to Ghana called the Great Ghana Adventure for ages 14 to 18. Before I jump into the travel guide, just take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. It's always a good idea for first-time travelers to get a little bit of background and basics on the country that they're visiting, so let's get started. Where is Ghana? Ghana is in West Africa on the coast of the Gulf of Guinea, and it was known as the Gold Coast before being renamed as the Republic of Ghana. The capital of Ghana is Accra, and it was once named the capital of cool by the New York Times. Now let's move on to languages. Ghana has about 50 indigenous languages like Twi and Dagbani. However, English is their official language, and Ghana, along with Nigeria, are the only English-speaking countries in West Africa. Let's move on to money. The Ghana currency is the Cedi, and it's roughly about 6 Cedi for $1 US. Also, you'll want to make sure to carry cash because many places don't accept credit cards or debit cards. Let's talk about the weather. Ghana is located in a subtropical zone with temperatures over 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit all year long. The rainy season is May through September. The main mode of transportation in Ghana are buses and taxis. There are also minibuses or minivans called trotros, but these might not be the safest, so we recommend traveling on taxis and buses. You can even haggle with taxi drivers on prices for long journeys, so don't be shy. Now let's move on to accommodations. So on our youth travel programs, students don't have to worry about accommodations because we organize that for them. But for general travel, there are hotels, hostels, Airbnbs, and the prices can start as little as $18 per night for hostel type places or range up to $375 a night for a 5-star resort. Now let's talk about my favorite subject, which is food. The food in Ghana is delicious and you definitely need to try it all. The main staple foods are cassava, plantain, and millet. Now just a warning, Ghanaian food can be on the spicy side, so just make sure to watch out for that in case you're sensitive to it. Now here's just a general fun fact. Soccer is very popular in Ghana, and we all know that soccer is a universal language and any group of locals will always welcome you to play. Ghana is a beautiful country with friendly and hospitable people, and we hope that this travel guide has been helpful for you. Also, check out our new program, the Great Ghana Adventure, and I'll have details for you in the video description. But also let us know in the comments if Ghana is on your bucket list.